हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। सनस्क्रीन तो हम सभी यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन सनस्क्रीन को लेकर हमारे डाउट्स इतने सारे होते हैं कि कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होते। तो आज के मेरे वीडियो में मैं सनस्क्रीन को लेकर सारे डाउट्स क्लियर करने वाली हूँ, इसलिए मेरे वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। पहला डाउट, डू आई नीड टू वेयर सनस्क्रीन? How much sunscreen do I need? What is the best sunscreen to use? Are my sunscreen ingredients safe? What are the types of sunscreen? What is SPF and what is the best SPF to use? Do I need to wear sunscreen? The condition is so cloudy, there is not hot summer day today. Of course, you do need a sunscreen because if you are going out, so the exposed area of your skin is completely exposed to the UV rays of the sun if the condition is cloudy also. What do I need? The sunscreen amount should be all enough to cover your exposed area when you are going out. What is the best sunscreen to use? Although nowadays sunscreen sprays are very popular, but it is not all enough to cover your all body part which is exposed to the sun rays. So you should prefer cream or lotion based sunscreen. Are my sunscreen ingredients safe? There are so many ingredients, like 16 common ingredients in sunscreen preparation, but titanium dioxide and zinc oxide referred completely safe and effective also. What are the types of sunscreen? Generally, people are getting confused about the types of sunscreen and which will suit to the particular skin. So there are two types of sunscreen, that is physical and chemical. Physical, you can call it mineral sunscreen also, which sits on your skin surface and it will deflect the sun rays. And the chemical sunscreen work completely differently. It absorbs the sun rays and the sun rays will not penetrate into your skin. When you buy a physical sunscreen, you will notice a white layer on the skin surface, and in the case of chemical sunscreen, you will not notice any white layer on your skin because it absorbs into the skin. What is SPF? SPF is a sun protection factor that a particular sunscreen will give how much protection to your skin against the UV rays. SPF 15 blocks 93% of UV rays. SPF 30 blocks 97% of UV rays, and SPF 50 blocks 98% of UV rays. So if you ask me which is my best sunscreen, in the case of physical sunscreen or mineral sunscreen, I like Lush Shield SPF 50 the most, and in the case of chemical sunscreen, I like Ultra Sheer Dry Touch SPF 50. This is a very good sunscreen for your skin. So friends, I have two sunscreens, that is lotion and Ultra Sheer Dry Touch SPF 50. Both are very good and effective, but if you will apply physical sunscreen like lotion, then it will leave a white layer on your skin. But in the case of chemical sunscreen like Ultra Sheer Dry Touch, it will not leave any white surface on your skin. I have already made a video on sunscreen, but these are very general queries which people used to ask me. So hopefully I clear all doubt about the sunscreen. But if you have any other query, you can ask me in the comment section. Till the next video, take care, bye bye, and yes, subscribe my channel, A Magical Corner.